you're going to die.
Wow. I mean, that is an incredibly blunt message. And I know you have a lot of experience dealing with these storms. You don't say something like that lightly, Mayor.
I've never said that.
If you do not evacuate, she said, and I'm not extrapolating, she said you will die. Yeah. That's crazy. Yes. Yeah. So everyone in Tampa, get out. Please evacuate. Get out of there. For a mayor to say that, I don't think she's like saying too much. I think she's letting you know the seriousness of this catastrophic storm that is on the way. Yes. It's terrifying.